Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you change photo format on iPhone. So guys, to change photo format, go to settings. Now after going to settings, scroll down and go to your camera. And after going to your camera, here you can see the third option is formats. Click on it. Now here you can see there are two options, high efficiency and most compatible. If you select high efficiency, it will be in HEIF and HEVC format, and if you select most compatible, it will be in JPEG and H.264 format. So just select most compatible, and if you want to record in high quality, then select high efficiency. So guys, that's how you can change photo format on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.